Hey guys, thanks for joining us back out here at the Range Report. And we're at our home base at Point Blank Range in Matthews, North Carolina. And tonight we're going to be reviewing something we've never gotten our hands on before. And really, there's not that much information about them on the internet. Really can't find a lot of reviews or anything. Don't know why. But it's the Rossi Model 671 357 Magnum stainless steel 4-inch revolver. It's a 6-shot. This particular one, I believe, was manufactured in 1984, and we've seen a couple of reviews on them, but very, very, very few of them. Picked this one up through an estate sale not that long ago. It's our first opportunity we're having to get some rounds down range with it. We have a target about 21 feet away. We got some reactive targets on it and some shatterproof bottle right there in the middle. We're going to start off by throwing some 38 down range with it. We just want to see how it feels. Check the timing, make sure that everything is okay, and then we're going to throw some 357 through it. Right now we're going to use some Winchester White Box 38 target load, and then we're going to go to some Remington UMC 357. So we're going to load this up, take some shots, and see how it does. So we got some 38 loaded up in it. We're going to take a couple of shots and see how it goes. I'm going to do my first couple of shots in single action, then the last few in double action. Oh, 6 rounds through, and I must tell you that was very smooth. The trigger on this is nice and crisp. Single action is breaking at I'm going to estimate it right around 4 pounds, but it's just nice and crisp. The double action draw on this thing is probably around 7.5 to 8 pounds, which is very light considering. I'm going to run another 6 rounds of 38 through it. I'm going to step out to the 357 and see how I like it. Alright, we're going to try the top right target this time. Yeah, we're going to bring that target in while I empty this out and take a look at it. I took all those in double action just to see what it felt like. And at 21 feet, I got about a 3-inch group, all 6 in there. About a 3-inch group in that, all 6 in that one. Now we're going to step it up to the 357. We're going to take these lower targets out and see how it goes. I'm very impressed with how nice this gun feels. It really feels good. The lockup on it is very tight. Trigger is very smooth. Grip is very good. Sights are excellent. I'm going to put this back out at 21, and we're going to throw in some of the 357 and see if we get any difference. All right, now we got 6 rounds of 357 loaded in there, and the 38s really felt like nothing. It felt like shooting a 22 revolver through this thing. The gun does have a little bit of heft, a little bit of weight, feels really solid. Now we're going to throw some 357 down there. I'm going to do the first few in single action just so I can see what the recoil is before I go into double action. So we're going to aim low left. Oh, there is a substantial difference. Wow. All right, so My group opened up a little bit, but I guess I'm just going to have to get a little bit more used to the 357. Truth be told, this is the first 357 in the collection. We reviewed my cousin's stainless 686 a couple of months back, but that's his gun, and I really don't have a lot of trigger time on it. So, you know, the 357 take a little bit of getting used to, but I think I can grow to like this. We're gonna load another 6 in it. Go for that other option. All right, we're gonna take that right target down on the bottom. All right, I'm pushing a little low. All right, my point of aim is a little low. My point of impact is a little low of my point of aim. I had to bring it up on the last 2 shots to get myself into the black where I wanted it to be, but I still have a 3-inch group with it. Overall, the gun's going to take a little bit more getting used to. As far as, you know, when you step up from a 38 to a 357, the recoil is substantially different. So getting yourself back on target after the first shots is going to be a little bit of a chore. Like I said, I'm not used to the gun yet. This is my first first 24 shots through the gun. I'm going to practice with this thing a whole bunch more, but I also have another 357 sitting over there that I bought that I got to try, and then I'm going to compare the two later on. But for now, this is the Rossi 671 357 Magnum. It's stainless steel. Like I said, the first and only time that I've seen this one is when I saw it in the catalog for auction. I never saw one at the FFL. I looked and I saw very few reviews of this gun, but after shooting it, I have to say that the gun really is nice. It's a nice shooting, well-built, sturdy handgun that's really comfortable. And if you can see it, it can hit it. It'll do its job. It's up to you to do yours. This is Frank from the Range Report. We'll catch you guys next time. You guys be safe and shoot straight.